and we have 2 plates because some guests are here. Real. This is real, and this is not a Daddy. Hello. Hi, Navya. What are you going to make today? You're gonna make salad, and we are gonna make some bread chocolate bread. Okay. The roll.
Okay.
So you make it. It's for Dad, what you like jam, but it's for bread. So we are putting this on the bread. So we can make it as a gift. So we can make a wrap the bread. So we can make it. And I'm making salad with orange for decorating around, apple and banana. I'm making some bread to put the Nutella on. We've both got bread. I'm going to bread. Okay, I'll start. Should we start? Okay, first we're going to spread the bread with chocolate. All of us love chocolate. Everyone loves that. I'm hungry. I'm really, really hungry.
Wow.
So hungry that I can eat everything.
Beautiful.
I'm spreading the bread. I need to put a lot on the edges, or else it won't be very nice. Yeah, Nutella's really good. This is my face.
Whoa.
Is the orange the hair? It looks like the hair. Yeah, but you're not allowed to eat it because it's all rusty and old. This is wraps. We're almost done with it. Yeah. I'm almost done with it as well. Okay, I think I should have cut it in pieces.
That's
okay.
great.
Yeah, make a smile like a snowman. As it's nearly Christmas, and maybe you can do a scary face as well. Halloween! Yeah, Halloween. Halloween right out the bend. Or one per, you can make, or 2 points. We should, 4 yards. I think I'm ready. And then if we cut it into... keep all the apples. Do you need help cutting it? Like no. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get I need a new one. I think you can use this for. Yeah. Instead of a pumpkin. This can be a horn, I think. Or for Christmas, you can make an elf for Christmas. I need somehow so many swirls. Can you see these swirling?
Ooh.
And then I need this bread eyes. Little pieces as well. Here are the eyes. Okay, they're so close to the mouth. You can't even recognize it. Okay, wait a sec. That should go like that for a bull. This bit should be the done. Actually, I think the previous thing was better. The eyes. The eyes of the Make sure you don't chop off your fingers, or else that's not going to look very nice. Yeah, it'll be yeah, I don't know about it. Well, luckily these knives aren't that sharp. So there's not much chance of us chopping off our fingers. Yes. Yeah. There's a little bit sharp actually. Because if we can cut bread, they will be quite sharp. And now I'm going to put it back like. Stop it. taste thing. So now I'm going to eat the middle. I'm I'm going to try something. Actually, I'm going to try the one with the most honey. Ooh, I've been waiting for it all the time. This is really good. Yummy. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.